welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll show you how to create this really fun makeup look. This is a cartoon graphic eyeliner makeup look and it's really simple to do. If you guys are interested to know how to create this look, then let's just quickly begin with it. So I'm going to start with my eye makeup first, and I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution Salvation palette. So I'm going to start with that white eye shadow and put it all over my lid, and then I'm going to take this beautiful neon pink color. It's a really bright pink, and I'm going to put that into my crease. Now this is a really bright color, but as you can see that I'm applying very little. That's because I'm going to slowly build up the color. You don't want all the color at one go because I want things to look really blended. Then I'm going in with this color from the same palette, and this is a little bit bolder than the neonish pink, and I'm putting this in my crease as well. And once I'm done with applying it in my crease, I'm going to take a clean brush and blend out the edges. And also one more thing guys, a lot of you asked me about the brushes. So I basically use brushes from Amazon, nothing fancy at all, and I do use few brushes from Wet n Wild and here and there. So I'm going to mention all the brushes that I use down in my description box. And now what I'm basically doing is cutting out my crease with the help of some concealer, and I went in with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Sable. To set the concealer on my eyelid, I'm going to use that white shade, and this is also going to help the other colors to pop up as well. And then I'm going in with this neonish green, and I'm putting it towards the end of my, towards the outer end of my eyelid. And while applying it, I'm also blending it in with the white. And then I'm taking very little of that dark green and putting it in my outer corner for just a little bit of depth. Next, coming to the main part, that is the graphic eyeliner part. So what I'm basically doing is that I'm taking my Wet n Wild eyeliner and I'm going to draw a normal wing first, and then following the line where I've cut the crease, I'm just going to make another line, and that's it. That's so simple. And then I'm going to apply some mascara on my upper and lower lashes. And then for my foundation, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128, and I'm applying it all over my face with the help of a foundation brush, and this one is from Wet n Wild. And then I'm just going in with a normal brush and just buffing out everything. And for concealer, I went in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Light, and I'm applying it on all high points of my face and also under my eyes to conceal and highlight. Next, I'm going to bake my face, and for that I'm going to use this translucent powder from Beauty Big Bag. This is in the shade 01, and this is a translucent powder. This one is so good guys. It also comes with its own puff. I'm going to let you guys know more about this powder in a video later on, and I do have a coupon code for you guys as well. So if you want, you guys can go and check out my description box for more detail. And with the help of my Nicka K Contour Duo, I'm going to contour my face. Next, I'm going to take a big fluffy brush and just dust out all the extra powder on my face, and then I'm going to apply some blush, and this one is from Maybelline. This one is such a staple blush of mine, I use it so often. And for highlight, I'm going in with a really subtle highlight. So I'm using my Makeup Revolution palette for this, and as usual I almost again forgot to do my eyebrows, because I always think that I'm going to do my eyebrows once I'm done with the base makeup and then I forget. And for my lips, I'm going to use this lipstick from Blue Heaven. And guys, if I miss out on any of the products, I will mention everything in my description box, so make sure you guys go and check it out. And lastly, I'm applying some falsies. That's it. This is the final look guys. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. I will see you guys again in my next video. Till then, take care.